Hello, everyone. Welcome to Teach Mathematics with Deyemi. Today I'm going to solve word problems leading to linear equations. A man is 24 years older than his son. In 3 years' time, he will be twice as old as the son now. How old is the man now? A man is 24 years older than his son. And so the question is, how old is the man? That's the problem. So it's good to start by representing the man's age. Let the man's age be X years. We've been told that a man is 24 years older than his son. That is, the man's age is 24 more than the son's age. And so we can turn this around and say that the son's age is 24 less than the man's age. The son's age is 24 less than the man's age. And so if the man's age is X, then we can say the son's age will be X minus 24. And that's X minus 24 years. Now, in 3 years' time, that's in the future. In 3 years' time, he will be twice as old as the son. That means the man will be twice as old as the son. So it's better we get the man's age in 3 years' time. The man is X years old now. So in 3 years' time, the man will be X plus 3 years. The son in 3 years' time will be, that's X minus 24. That is his age right now, plus 3. And so this gives us X minus 24 plus 3, that is minus 21 years. So in 3 years' time, the son is X minus 21. And so in 3 years' time, he will be twice as old as his son. That means the man's age in 3 years' time. The man's age in 3 years' time is X plus 3 will be, that means equal to twice as old as the son. So that is 2 times the son's age in 3 years' time. And that is X minus 21. And so we've obtained an equation in terms of X where we need to open up the bracket and simplify. So this is X plus 3 equals to, this is 2 times X, that's 2X. 2 times minus 21, that's minus 42. And so we collect our like terms in X. So this is X. When plus 2X cross to the left-hand side becomes minus 2X equals to, we have minus 42. And this plus 3 cross to the right-hand side becomes minus 3. So X minus 2X, that's minus X, equals to minus 42 minus 3, that's minus 45. The coefficient of X is minus 1, so we have this as X equals to minus 45 over minus 1, and that is 45 years. And so the man's age right now is 45 years old. The present age of a man and a son are 47 years and 17 years respectively. In how many years would the man's age be twice that of his son? In how many years? That's the problem. The problem is in how many years would a man's age be twice that of his son? So we can always start by saying that let the number of years be n. As a man's age is increasing, the son's age is also increasing. And so, in how many years' time, that is in future, in how many years would the man's age be twice that of the son? That is 2 times the age of the son. The present age of the man is 47, and the present age of the son is 17. So in how many years' time? So we say in n years' time, the man will be 47 plus n. The son will be 17 plus n. And so to put all of this together to form an equation, in how many years' time would the man's age be twice? So that means in n years' time, the man is 47 plus n equals to twice the son's age, 17 plus n. And so we have an equation here in terms of n, and then we solve for n. So this is 47 plus n equals to 2 times 17, that is 34. 2 times plus n plus 2n. And we collect our like terms in n. So this is n minus 2n equals to 34 minus 47. And so n minus 2n, that's minus n, equals to 34 minus 47. You have 34 naira, you're owing 47 naira, and so that's going to be minus 13. Minus 13. The coefficient of n is minus 1, and so n equals to minus 13 over minus 1, and n equals to 13. And that means in 13 years' time, the man's age right now is 47. And so in 13 years' time, the man will be 47 plus 13. And I suppose that's 60. In 13 years' time, the son's age right now is 17. So 17 plus 13, that's 60. I mean, that's 30. That's 30. 17 plus 13, that's 30. And you can see that the man's age in 13 years' time is actually 2 times the son's age in 13 years' time. The next question. 5 years ago, Musa was twice as old as Sise. If the sum of their ages is 100, find Sise's present age. The main problem is find Sise's age. Whenever you have a word problem like this, the first thing to do is to identify the problem. So, Sise's present age is a problem, and we start with that by saying, let Sise's present age be X years. Let Sise's present age be X years. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, Musa was twice as old as Sise. That means Musa's age 5 years ago was twice as old as Sise. Sise's present age now is X. And so in the past, 5 years ago, Sise's age was, if Sise's present age now is X, then Sise's age 5 years ago was X minus 5 years. And so back to the question. 5 years ago, Musa was twice as old. That means 2 times. That means 5 years ago, Musa's age was twice that of Sise's age 5 years ago. And so this would give me 2 times X to X. 2 times minus 5, that is minus 10 years. And so Musa's age 5 years ago was twice that of Sise's age. So we got Sise's age 5 years ago to be X minus 5. And so Musa's age 5 years ago was 2X minus 10. Now the relationship. If the sum of their ages is 100, that means the sum of their present ages is 100. Addition. Sise's present age right now is X. Musa's present age now we don't know, But we know that Musa's age 5 years ago was 2x minus 10. And so we can say that Musa's present age will be his age 5 years ago, which is 2x minus 10. Then his present age will be 2x minus 10 plus 5. 5 years ago, it was 2x minus 10. That means his current age now, he must have added 5 years after. So his current age would be, this is his current age now, that is 2x minus 10 plus 5, that is minus 5. So Musa's present age is 2x minus 5 years. Now, the relationship. If the sum of their ages is 100, that is, the addition of Sise's present age plus the addition of Musa's present age equals to 100. Sise's present age is x. That was what we represented that to be. And Musa's present age, now we got that as 2x minus 5 equals to 100. And so we have an equation in terms of x. So this is x. We open up the bracket. This is plus 2x. Plus times minus, that is minus, equals to 100. And so we collect our like terms. This is x plus 2x, 3x, equals to 100. When minus 5 crosses to the right hand side, it becomes plus 5. And so 3x equals to 105. The coefficient of x is 3. And so we divide the other side by the coefficient, which is 3. And so x equals to, this is 35 years. And so that shows that Sise's present age is 35 years. Alright, so if this video has been helpful, please click on the like button, share button, and also the subscribe button so that you don't miss any part of my video. Thank you very much for watching today's video. See you next class. Bye-bye.